We're here at 112 Loraine South, here in Midland, Texas.
Is there something you were looking for?
He's just filming the elevator.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing vintage got modded, obviously. Looks like totally replaced though. Let's go to 6. PTL. Here's floor 6. Totally photo replacement. It's a nice elevator. It's pretty quick for 6 floors. And to the right of this elevator is the original car. Which unfortunately I don't think it works. See?
Yeah.
There's this box here that's covering up the original coal station. It was, and based on it was an Otis mod.
Have a good day.
Yeah, but the left cargo, they got replaced. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.